What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes. Okay. Timestamps are in the description. All right. Let me get that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. Break the thumb on that like button. Come on. Timestamps, good info. Come on. What more could you guys ask for? All right. Stick around to the end of the video because yesterday's video had Uniswap in it. Gonna give an update on Uniswap. And I'm going to answer a question in the comment section because it's extremely convenient to do so. And let's talk about the elephant that's not in the room, and that is XRP. All right. Where do I start? I might jump around a little bit in this video as far as XRP is concerned, price action rather. So, okay, let's go over what we know. We know XRP is working with all of these banks. They're having success in different parts of the world. All over the world, as far as different places of the world, as far as implementing XRP. All right. Now, with all of the information and news that has come out about XRP, its partnerships, its productivity, and all the sorts, even being absolved from the court case that was trying to say that they were a security, they have been absolved from that. So you still haven't been able to break and hold 35 cents. Okay. Now that we got that out the way, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's start with the ugly. We'll move on to the bad, and then we'll switch to the good. Because I'm going to tell you something that I firmly feel confident in believing that I'm the only person that's going to tell you this in reference to XRP. All right, let me get myself water. All right, let's start with the ugly. The ugly is XRP has been one of the worst. It has been the worst top 10, top 20 performing asset over the last 18 to 20 months. Plain and simple. Oh, word? Oh, you leaving now? That's it? You done? You don't want to hit the rest? You disliking and you on your way out the door? Cool. But remember, the good is really good. So if you choose to leave or unsubscribe or whatever you choose to do, you do it at your own risk and your emotional compromisation. You've been emotionally compromising at this point. So, okay, let's continue. It is terrible. It's been a terrible investment. However, it still has a lot to go. And even though, you know, we can rag on about XRP not underperforming, the price action being completely horrendous. It's a slow move. It moves extremely slow. That's pretty much the ugliest part about it. It's slow. It's underperformed. It's a top 10 coin and it's doing these things. And it's underperforming even though it is all of this good news that has come out about it, all of these partnerships that have come out about it. And a lot of people will contribute some of that price movement to maybe XRP and the escrow. You know, them releasing coins. They might attribute it to the fact that the amount of coins that XRP has. Whatever the case may be, I've even heard rumors of things about it, you know, being hash tree and all of this other stuff instead of blockchain. So, nevertheless, the ugly is the fact that right now, if you're thinking about getting an XRP, there are better assets for you to invest in at this point. Not financial advice. I'm just calling it like it is. Now, to dive deeper into this poor performance and give you a visualization of it, you know what we got to do. I have to throw some screenshots up here on the screen for you. All right, before we transition to the bad. Now, that was the ugly. I'm going to get into these screenshots and we'll transition to the bad in the middle of the screenshots. Let's go. All right, that's pretty much the ugly. You know, I'll leave it there. That's pretty much the ugly for XRP. Let's move on to the bad. The bad is it is underperformed, of course, as we know. And I think the parameters of bullish to bearish for XRP has changed substantially. And I'm going to go over that. And I'm going to start with the weekly chart. So right here on this screenshot, on the weekly chart, you can see I drew this thick line all the way across that dates back to October 17th, 2018. So as you can see, over the last 2 years from that high, It has gotten close last summer, but it was not able to get back up there. And then, of course, this summer, it actually put in a lower high. But we'll get to that once we go further down into the charts from the weekly. So the reason why I drew this line is because I'm just going to be honest with you. The parameters as far as bullish to bearish for XRP, in my opinion, is now bullish above this line right here, which is 50 cents. 48 to 50 cents is above 48 to 50 cents is bullish for XRP. How did I come to that determination? All right, I'm going to tell you. When we calculate for all the time it is spent under 50 cents and the amount of resistance that has been created below 50 cents and the amount of resistance above 50 cents, we can see that that's the reason why. Once you look left, as a matter of fact, let's go ahead on down to the 12 hour so we can get a closer look at this. Okay, now down on the 12 hour, kind of zoomed out a little bit. You can see that once again, how far that line is up above, pretty much where the bullish zone is for XRP. Now, once you reach that 50 cent from last summer, that was you trying to make a bullish move from a previous high, a previous bullish high for 2018. You know, of an attempted recovery for XRP. Okay, now you spent so much time below 50 cents and even went as low as 10 cents that is where your issue is now lying. Now this upper line on the 12 hour, this upper line that I have here on the 12 hour is here because I want to show you how this is actually put in a lower high, which is crazy. It's put in a lower high this year, which is absolutely bananas, and which has given me which is the reason why I deduced it is the worst performing asset. Because out of all the bullish conditions that has been going on this year so far, even from February, you couldn't even put a higher high. You couldn't put in a higher high from February. Not only that, if you look, I'm going to zoom in over here to the right of this 12 hour, where, of course, that February high line that I drew has now disappeared. It put in a double top, kind of came back down and made it look like it was going to put in the head and shoulders and broke lower. Now, it didn't complete the measured move, and then it bounced and traded sideways, but that just goes to show you the struggle that XRP is having and why I'm saying 48 cents and above, 48 to 50 cents and above is now bullish territory for XRP. It's based on so much price action and rejection that has happened not only below 48 cents, but at the 34 cent and under range for XRP. Now, if you want any hope of breaking out of that, you're going to have to break and hold 34 cents. And I mean break and hold 34 cents. The game has changed for XRP. The timeline has been extended on this pretty horrendous price action. So let's swerve over into the good and go down to the 8 hour. All right. Now, a lot of people can say, hey, okay, if that's the case, if it's so bad, what now? Well, you look like you tried to do something bullish on the inverse head and shoulders, and it didn't break out. You just traded sideways for the last, what is this, 10-6. You just traded sideways for the last month. That's all you did. You just traded sideways for the last month. And that's not bad. However, I want to go into the good. And the good is price stability and price range. Okay, what's good about that? We want XRP to go to $1. We want XRP to go to $3 and $5 and $10. Okay, well, I'm going to give you a different perspective. I think XRP is the perfect dividend coin. I think XRP is going to maintain. I'm going to prognosticate again. I think XRP is going to go up in price, but not substantially. I think XRP will pretty much move like a stock or something like that, like a lower tier stock. And that's actually a good thing. How? Because dividends, ladies and gentlemen. XRP, you're going to have to change the way you think about well, you're not going to have to. Me personally, I'm going to change the way I look at XRP. I'm no longer going to look at XRP as, oh, XRP, breaking bullish, reaching these new levels. No. I'm going to look at XRP as the perfect coin in crypto for passive income. Now, if the backing for XRP, the popularity of it maintains, of course, we know that these huge Japanese companies and corporate companies are working with XRP. We can expect stability and or slight growth and or decline out of XRP. Again, but that maintains price action as well. We're still going to have price action. Let's go down to the 4 hour and let me further discuss so I can, just give you guys something to look at. Let me zoom in down here on the 4 hour and give you guys this 4 hour. So here's the 4 hour. And I'm going to tell you, just looking at it off the rip, I'm very good visually when it comes to identifying things. And visually, it just looks like close up a double bottom. Let me draw the line here. So this is the line that I drew down at the bottom. Not quite straight across. Actually, yes. 22.8 cents. It came down here and bounced beautifully off 22.8 cents. Excellent. And now you've broken to the upside. So let's count this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can give you guys a bit of commentary. Now, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that there was a lower low at 21 cents and it broke to the upside and it came down and double bottomed at 22 cents. Not bad. I mean, it looks bullish. You put in a low and then a higher low, and then you retested that higher low, and you then broke it to the upside to retest. Let's see if it can put in. Let's see if it can break this high, the first high from the higher low of 26 cents. Let's see if it can. It already tested it. It got rejected. Let's see if it can break above. Now, to continue to the point of price stability and dividends, passive income. I talk about on the Patreon about passive income for XRP, and I'm going to tell you right now. I didn't talk about passive income, but I just talked about passive income in general, how that is something we're going to be showing people how to do on the Patreon, and XRP is going to be a perfect candidate for that. All right. So, but there you go, guys, for XRP. Pretty simple, pretty straight to the straightforward. Let's talk about final thoughts. I really think I was hoping XRP could find some ground, but it seems as though the partnerships and everything going on with XRP is adding more price stability than it is price growth. Now, a lot of people who are investing and holding in XRP are going to look at that as, oh man, what am I holding this for? What's the point of this? And see, when you're in charge of that and you don't understand enough of how to manipulate these exchanges, these trading consoles, or utilize certain tools that allow you to earn money from holding these coins, regardless of whether they go up and down, is the issue. Now, that's something, like I said, we will, once we start the Patreon, you got to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You got to share the videos. We got to get over 500 subscribers and hold. We got to get to, let's see if we can break that 500 resistance and make it to 1,000 subscribers. All right. But yeah, so dividends, passive income, coins that make incremental gains are great uptrends and downtrends for passive income. They are amazing, and it is a setup that I am working with right now to further develop and master. It's already efficient and effective, but I really want to hone in and master it for you guys, and I want to share that with you on the Patreon. Overall, I think XRP, as we said, is a pretty horrendous performing coin, especially for the market cap, its placement, and its following. However, the market does not care at all about your partnerships, and I've said this on many occasions. So at best, I will look into ways to where you can get with, some of these larger companies if you're not interested in being a trader, to see how you can earn dividends and loan out your XRP, as far as other ways to earn interest on your XRP officially. I think a lot of people aren't going to hear that, but what I am going to say is, do you care more about earning money and making good on your investment, or you just want to, you just want your coin to be great? But I think the greatest thing is to actually make good on your investment, not to fall emotionally in love and get emotionally tied to these cryptocurrencies. Let's move on to the end of the video. All right. Now, Uniswap, I hit it almost on the head. I was off. Uniswap did come up. It did continue higher as I prognosticated, as far as coming up to that $2.47, $2.40, $2.50 range. The market has turned bullish. If you watch those previous Uniswap videos, I also said pretty much everything I've said to this point has come to fruition. Don't be surprised if it falls below. If the market turns bullish because of how popular Uniswap is, if people are saying that it's bullish, they're going to have no problem jumping into the coin, pumping it. So it's bullish with the rest of the market. It didn't fall as heavy as Yearn Finance, Sushi, and a lot of these other coins did. So, I mean, we have to wait and see. I said I would take a look at it again. If my prognostication did come true, it did. So I will take a look at it. Let's see how the market plays out within the next few days. And then I'll revisit Uniswap in partial to, you know, in addition to other things in another video, a couple videos down the line, a few days from now. All right. Now, somebody asked me about how do you view charts? Now, I'm not going to set you up. I'm not going to do that. I don't want you to feel so desperate and in need to make money in this market that you falter and you make mistakes and you end up losing money. All right. So I will give you something that's just going to allow you simply as a beginner to be able to view the charts on your mobile device, and then you can escalate from there. BitUniverse. All right. I'm going to put a screenshot on BitUniverse. A screenshot of BitUniverse on the screen right here for you guys. That is one of the apps that I use to view all coins from all exchanges at all times. You know, you can view the charts, all different pairs, everything. They've got 90 to 95% of what is available in the overall market of cryptocurrency. That is a fact. Okay. So BitUniverse is easy to download. You don't have to sign up to view the charts, which is a great thing. You can just download it, put in the coins that you're looking for, and easily start viewing different charts of different coins and different things like that right on your mobile device. They also have a computer device that you can do the same thing on as well. Just make sure you click to the desktop option. Now, if a lot of you new people are coming to the channel and you make it this far in the video, if you would like me to do a video showing you how to operate BitUniverse so you can get started, let me know in the comment section below and make sure you like the video. Now, if you really want to get into trading and start with small amounts or even white paper trading, learning how to invest in the market and have better control of your portfolio, manipulating your portfolio, I did a video on a trading group. All right. Go back into the channel pages and you will see a video of this is your chance to join the trading group and learn how to grow your portfolio and get control. All right. I'm Sha. This is the Dollar Tree. Appreciate everybody for watching. That's Friday's video. I will try my best to put out another video tomorrow. RD Fit for you. I keep saying this. I didn't forget about you. Somebody asked me about charting Yearn Finance. You're not even a subscriber, bro. That's rude. I mean, I don't mind doing it. But if you want to see something early on Yearn Finance, I have a video where I touched on Yearn Finance probably about a week or two ago, something like that. Go take a look at that. Consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know what you think about that in that video overall. And then I might, slap Yearn Finance 1 and Yearn Finance 2 in there down the line. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, enjoy your guys' weekend, all right?